I'm Srinidhi, a final year student from Computer Science and Engineering at Panimal Engineering College. I am excited to share that I have been placed with the 5.5 LPA package. This achievement is not just mine. It is just the result of the strong support system at the college. The academic environment, infrastructure, workshop, and technical events help me build both knowledge and confidence. I am deeply thankful to my HOD, faculty members, and the placement team for their constant encouragement and guidance. The structured placement training by the QSpiders, including the aptitude preparation, technical sessions, and mock interview, play a vital role in my preparing me for the recruitment process. This interview at the Capgemini test my knowledge and confidence, but the training I received helped me clear each round successfully. To my juniors, focus on the building your skills, stay consistent in your preparation, and trust yourself even during the tough phases. Your hard work will definitely pay off. Thank you.